Hello guys! Kumusta ang lahat? See guys, nag-ano ako guys, I go in the market. Now, bell pepper, carrots. Tingnan nyo guys, oh my god, first time I saw guys, very big eggplant guys. Imagine. First time I saw very big eggplant. And then see, this is 1 kilo guys, 1 kilo, and then the kilo is 80 rupees. And then this one guys, ang tawag nito? Nakalimutan ko, basta beans or whatever guys. And then cauliflower. See, ang ganda ng mga cauliflower guys, fresh na fresh. Tapos pang tinola guys, sayote. Ito lahat guys. Tapos may free pa ako guys. And then cucumber. Ang aming favorite cucumber guys. See? Bumili ng aking asawa guys. 2 kilo. In 1 kilo the price is 80 rupees. 80 rupees guys. Ang dami. Tapos may free pa na lemon guys. Oh, free lemon. Ang galing talaga guys. Oh my god, fresh na fresh. Tapos yung carrots nila. I remember na umuwi ako sa Pilipinas, ito lang tatlo sa SM. We bought in the SM. Oh my god, that is 110 pesos. Tapos dito, 70 lang siya guys, 70. Grabe ka mura talaga dito. Ito lahat, carrots, green bell pepper, talong, eggplant, and cucumber, beans, cauliflower, and sayote. 3 na sayote. Ano lang to guys? In Nepali, 600 rupees to lahat guys. 600 rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 na varieties. 600 rupees. It means, in Philippines, money, it like, I think is 280 or like 280 or 85 like that guys. This all. Tapos yung pinakita ko yun sa kapatid ko guys, sabi niya, oh my god, ang mura, it's very cheaper. Yeah, the food here in Nepal is very cheaper talaga. This is nakaka-amaze talaga dito ang mga pagkain. Pero yung mga gadgets, car, etc., all gadget is very mahal guys. Times 2 in Philippines, but the food is very cheaper. That's why it's very nice to stay in Nepal. Thanks God, it's na peaceful na here guys. Thank you so much guys for watching my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe guys. And then my subscribers was less na guys. Oh my god. I think the rest they don't like to watch my channel. But anyway, I just keep on. Thank you so much for always supporting to all who know you are. Alam nyo na yan kung sino kayo ang nagsusuporta sa channel ko. Thank you so much. Just comment. Parang yung kasi, what you call this one? Yung iba kasing view na na yung channel ko guys. I don't know. Try lang to guys. Para naman makatulong sooner. Thank you so much guys. Be happy and be kind. Love you all. Guys, good evening. Luto tayo ng ampalaya or bitter gourd. It's been long time guys, hindi ako nakaluto ng Hindi ako nakaluto nito kasi 5 months na. Later. Okay, later. You finish first your rice, please. I will give later. 5 months guys, hindi ako nakaluto kasi it's not allowed in my house. Hindi pwede kasi yung asawa ko guys, low blood. If he eat this bitter gourd, he has headache, he is low pressure, that's why. But I'm very craving for this guys. This is my favorite. But what to do? We need to hide. I'm cooking, guys. I put my husband in the other room because if he will eat this, if he's already I'm cooking, I told you I will cook this one because I'm craving. And then he told, okay, but I don't know if cook already. Maybe he will eat or what. That is my big problem, guys. Mmm, yummy. Last I put the little bit salty, guys. But anyway, it's good. I'll just make it spread. Spread with the eggy. Let them cook. I feel delicious, guys. Oh my god. And then let them cook properly. We will hide the fire. Lagyan natin ang ano, guys. Para ma-cook. Actually, is cook all the ano. The fire guard. Yummy. No more diet for today. Oh my god. See, now it's okay. Let them try the egg. In Nepal, we call this onda. I don't know if my pronounce is okay or what. I'm just still, ano guys, in Nepal, the language is very tough for me. But trying my best to learn. Tomato. Yummy, guys. Oh my god, my saliva is out, guys. In the morning, I cook lauoy. And then, now in the evening, I cook this ampalaya. Guys, look, guys. Parang nasa Pinas lang ako, guys, ba? Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday daw, guys. Yummy, yummy, guys. Yummy, yummy. Guys, look, guys. We do harvest from the garden alugbati and kangkong. See the alugbati, oh my god, my husband pick up all. I told to my husband pick me up some leaves. Oh my god, he all collect all the leaves, guys. See, lot of alugbati and fresh kangkong from our garden. Gagawin ko na aking ano, guys. Some I will mix with my lauoy. Actually, I already cook. I boiled lauoy. Tagalog lauoy in Bisaya is we do this one otan, guys. I mix with alu, patata, carrots, and then malunggay, moringa. And plus, I will mix this healthy alugbati and kangkong for more healthy. Now we will mix my lauoy. Very smelling, very nice smell, guys. cooking, and then I will put that the sag. Thank you for watching, guys. Please be kind and be happy.